Hi, my name is Jessica Rahman, and I'm going to be talking about the business information platform that I designed and deployed. And it's a platform that aggregates financial data and offers market insights on companies in tech. So I utilized microservice architecture to modularize different components for this app, including an overview of company demographics, current team members with visuals, and graphic visualizations of financial data, such as investments and funding routes. Some challenges and reflections I have regarding this project. I'd like to talk specifically about the technology I used, which was Docker and Docker Hub. So Docker is a very powerful tool because you can use a Docker container and Docker images, and a Docker container will always be identical on any system that can run Docker. And what it will do is bundle up specifications and dependencies so that any images you build, which are these little prototypes for your app, any images that you build from the same file will function identically. And you can make as many instances via containers as you want. And this is a really great choice for microservice architecture because it allows independence and functionality among teammates. Another great aspect of Docker is the isolation that's possible. So I was able to create separate containers for each component of my application, including the database, the server, and the front end. And that allowed me to avoid conflicting dependencies, since the settings in the container aren't going to affect installations and configurations on my own computer, like ports that I'm using to host servers or versions that I've got on my computer for Node. I can use a certain version of any dependency inside the Docker file and have a different version running on my own machine. As part of the continuous integration pipeline, Docker is really well integrated as part of that. I faced some personal challenges in this project because I didn't use continuous integration. And I didn't realize that what continuous integration allows you to do, among other things, is that every time you will be updating your source code, the CI, whether it's Travis or Circle, will do everything for you. It will create new Docker files, new images, new containers, and deploy to production anew. If you don't do that, if you don't use continuous integration, you will have to do all of that manually, which quickly adds up and can become pretty tedious when you need to make changes in your source code, which happens. Lastly, whenever you're using a project with new technology, Docker is a great choice because it offers an isolated and disposable environment to test those tools and not spend a lot of time actually setting up your production environment. And I did use a lot of tools I hadn't used before on this project, including Enzyme and Jest. And if I had used a CI, I could have done that. And yeah, Docker lends itself very well to that. So Docker was a great choice for this project. I will definitely be using it again and can recommend it for anything, any project for reproducibility, isolation, new technologies being used, where these things are important, where you are using a continuous integration pipeline. And it was an excellent part of the platform that I created. Thank you very much.